Good morning again. We are here at Island Healing and Chiropractic. This is Dr. Karen Fairfield.
Good morning, Dr. Karen Fairfield at Island Healing Chiropractic. Welcome to our office. Thanks for tuning in.
We just got done with a really long carpool, but it was worth the drive, and it went so fast with friends in the car from the Wilmington Sharks. And we did a tour earlier of Wade's Jewelers. We're here at Island Healing and Chiropractic, and they're going to show us everything that's going on up here, because she's got a lot going.
We got a lot going on here, that's for sure. Come on in.
Tell us your address.
This is 8809 Oak Island Drive. We are down near the old closed bridge.
Yes.
So.
That's right.
And when you come to our office, you are greeted by Jesse Beach. He is the face of Island Healing. As you walk in the door here, he takes all your appointments and scheduling, and he's also my assistant. So he's a jack of all trades, does everything for us here.
And it smells so wonderful in here.
Thank you. It is very spa-like in here. Everybody comments on the atmosphere.
So this scent is actually cedarwood and lemon. Everything we do here typically has some kind of purpose, and the cedarwood and lemon is to help encourage natural detox of the body, and the citrus helps bring in energy and encourage detox as well.
That's wonderful. Well, I need detox and I need energy, so that's a good thing.
Well, luckily we also do all forms of clinical nutrition and detoxification programs here, in addition to the massage, yoga, and chiropractic services that we offer, which we are more than happy to take you guys back and show you the rooms and show you all that we do.
That sounds great. Again, we're at Island Healing and Chiropractic, and they are located at
8809 Oak Island Drive.
And do you have a website?
We do. IslandHealingChiropractic.com. There's lots of information on there about all the things that we do.
And a Facebook page, I'm sure.
Page, of course, Island Healing Chiropractic.
That's great. So let's go on a tour.
Great, thanks. And here behind Jesse, you'll notice that we have a lot of nutritional products. I do a lot of functional medicine. We do a lot of lab testing. And then we do recommend nutrition. We have whole food nutrition. We have synthetic nutrition. And then we even have some food products and things. So a lot of things to offer, and you can get personalized nutrition.
Sounds great.
All right, so come on back here. This is our waiting room, which is lovely.
It is lovely.
A lot of people don't mind waiting.
Yeah,
Hopefully not too long.
Too.
We've got a lending library, so you can check out things
Nice.
like that. And then we have our offices back here. We have nutritional counseling available, so that's what goes on in this office.
You got a salt rock?
Yes, we do. Beautiful office.
It is a beautiful office.
And this is our massage therapist, Charles Watts. And this is his room that he works out of. If you want to come check that out.
Look how pretty.
Really beautiful. We might point out too that Charles makes his own furniture, and it's gorgeous.
Really?
All the furniture in here I finished, and I actually
it.
created this table over here. I wanted to give it a nice, unified look. And this is where I guess you say all the magic happens.
And you'll meet Mickey Beach in a few minutes, and she runs our yoga program, and she's also an artist, and you'll notice one of her pieces up here, this beautiful dragonfly. So.
Oh, look how pretty. Oh, I love dragonflies.
Yeah, isn't that gorgeous?
So what type of massage do you get? Do you specialize in?
I do specialize, but I do a full range of massage, so down to from the relaxation, the nice sweet massage, and I do also hot stones as well. But I specialize in orthopedic massage, and Dr. Karen, our skills kind of complement each other. So with orthopedic massage, I'm working with chronic pain conditions and people coming in and just having misalignments in their body. So what an orthopedic massage session would look like is a lot of range of motion testing, a lot of areas of, if I'm looking at your structure, say what's out of balance. And so a lot of times people come in with a pain in an area of the body where the problem is in an area of the body that's unrelated to where you're feeling it. Mm-hmm. So I focus on aligning the structure of the body with the muscles. And with Dr. Karen, she does it with the musculoskeletal system. I can't talk this morning. But it's a more specialized massage. It's a different massage session. If you're coming in for relaxation, you'll find out if you go from that to a orthopedic massage, it's very, very different.
Right. And I do know that the massage and the chiropractic work very well together.
Absolutely. That's, when I got Charles on board, he really did change our practice a lot because he really has that knowledge base that beyond your average massage therapist, and we're just so proud that we can say that we've helped so many people together. It's great.
And it's really nice to be able to work with Dr. Karen on like the same client, so we get to see results from two different angles, and the client gets a holistic health or service, because what Dr. Karen may not can do with the muscles, I can pick up. And so we definitely complement each other on our skill sets. And so I'm definitely going deeper into orthopedics and just chronic conditions and studying. So it only can get better from here.
Well, we had a comment from Ray who said that you've helped her and both her dogs.
Yes, we have. We'll get to the dog adjusting in a minute. Thanks, Ray. Nice to hear from you.
That's our favorite. Like Tuesdays is our like dog day. That's our favorite day.
It is my favorite day. It's no joke around here.
That's good.
Well, guys, welcome to the massage space. And
thank you.
Enjoy the tour.
Thank you.
And I'll just take you down the hallway. Everybody always says this place is bigger than they thought it was. This is our other massage room, which Jane is not here today, but she works out of here, another really beautiful space.
Very pretty. Yeah. Very soothing.
Exactly. And then I'll take you across to my room. So I work out of here. Obviously, I'm a chiropractor first, so that's my first love, and everybody who comes to see me generally gets adjusted. I specialize in applied kinesiology. That's using muscle testing to help figure out what's going on with your mainly with your joints and your muscles. However, I do some nutritional testing using the muscle testing as well. And as far as techniques, I definitely do manual adjusting, but I have, if you swing over there, you can see that I have other instruments available to me. I use what's called the activator here. This is a very gentle type of adjusting, so if you don't like the manual work, we have different things we can do. We have other little tools here that we use to adjust people. It doesn't all have to be what some people would consider a scary adjustment. Mm-hmm. However, everything we do is very gentle and appropriate to the person that we're treating. And don't let that drive you away, for sure. Chiropractic first, because it is one of the most conservative things that you can do for yourself, before you turn to drugs or surgery or other kind of medical interventions.
Right. Again, we are at Island Healing and Chiropractic with Dr. Karen Fairfield, and we are having explosions of love shown to you on the Facebook.
Isn't that nice? I love it. I love all my patients. We have a great time here. I feel like because my patients, I spend 20 minutes in adjustment with them. Mm-hmm. It's not an in and out affair here. We get to know everybody really well. We get to know your body really well, and we can determine a course of treatment that's appropriate for you.
Right. And it's important to continue seeing one person all the time, is it not, to get that knowledge base going?
I think it's certainly helpful. I mean, obviously we can do something with someone in a couple of adjustments, but most of my patients are maintenance patients. They come in once a month. They know it's good for their health, not just the musculoskeletal system, but it's good for your immune system. Studies have shown that. I think a lot of people don't realize that chiropractic is good for so many other things. I think also a lot of times people think it's just for the spine, just for back pain, neck pain, and headaches, but also think about ankles and knees and hips and elbows and wrists, and even I work with a lot of people that have digestive issues and all kinds of different things. So you might want to consider chiropractic for any kind of natural healthcare need. If you want to turn away from drugs and other types of invasive procedures, you might want to try something different first.
Sounds great. So if you got some pains, come see Karen.
That's right. Or if you don't, you probably still need chiropractic.
Yeah, that's true.
You will have pains if you don't now, right?
That's right. Yeah. And the older I get, the more I got.
Well, come this way and I'll show you also this is my space where I adjust the puppies. Yeah, so dogs need chiropractic too. I work with all kinds of issues, knee problems, hip dysplasia, and disc problems. The dogs need chiropractic too.
That's so sweet.
So Tuesday is generally dog day. Of course, we get them in if they need a different day, but
they got their own little door.
They have their own door. If anybody does have some kind of allergic reaction to dog hair, we try to keep it down in the office.
That's nice.
Yeah. Good. So come this way. dark in here, but this is our therapy room. And
it's quiet in here.
It is quiet in here. And we have hydro massage for people to wait on. And this little contraption over here is called the cold laser. I did want to point that out because it's another modality that not every practice might have. And you can see the red light. Our body has a affinity and receptors for this particular wavelength of light, and it can decrease inflammation, it can decrease pain. It used to be unusual to see cold lasers, but now I notice that even some of the orthopedists in town are advertising for it. Other vets are advertising for it. We do use this on our dogs as well. So that's the cold laser. It's a really miraculous instrument to have here.
Very nice.
We also have a detox foot bath, and it's a little dark over here too. We use this to help detoxify the body. We do a cleanse program out of the office 3 times a year. We're just finishing up this Friday our January cleanse. Then we have one in May and another one in the fall. And it's a really popular 3-week program. You can really find out what foods work for you, what diet kind of works for your own body. Everybody's different. And some people have food intolerances they've never even explored. And so if you have any kind of issues from digestion to tiredness to just not feeling yourself, you might want to consider a cleanse program. It's a really wonderful way to figure out what's going on with yourself.
So they can come and find out how to do one?
Absolutely. There's a lot of info on our website, and we always do a free introduction before every single cleanse. We show a video presentation. There's a shake product and some supplements that go along with it, and we share all of that at the very first meeting we do. So look for advertising on that. The next one's in May. We try to finish by Memorial Day so we can all get our summer on.
So what's the web address again?
It's islandhealingchiropractic.com.
Wonderful.
Yeah, good. Let me do this way.
There's a little maze through here, isn't
If
it?
you think the rest of our office is nice, you're just going to be amazed at our yoga studio upstairs.
All right, folks, just bear with me. Going upstairs is not my good thing.
Please be careful.
Oh, hey!
And this is our beautiful yoga space, and this is Mickey Beach, and she
Mickey.
runs
Nice to
our
meet you.
yoga program here. We do have one other yogi that does teach here, and but Mickey teaches majority of our classes. And then you'll also notice the straps around the outside here. Those are TRX straps, and I actually teach that class 2 days a week. And our schedule, of course, is on our website, islandhealingchiropractic.com.
Thank you.
Mickey,
What a
would you like
great
to say a little something about the yoga?
Well, we're actually set up today. I have a private student coming in. I do service as many private students as well as group classes. So a lot of people have very specific needs or a little intimidated starting in a group class. So this is a really nice way to kind of introduce yoga to people or to take care of specific health needs. I have had my studio open for about 8 years now, and it is a nationally registered yoga studio. So we've actually been credentialed nationally through Yoga Alliance. So, and I've run yoga teacher training programs as well. So we work very hard at building yoga students from the ground up. So a lot of people have a little resistant about starting yoga, but a private session is sometimes a really good way to start. And then our group classes are lovely. We do gentle yoga, a little bit more vigorous vinyasa yoga. We teach Pilates here as well. So you see the Pilates balls, we use the TheraBands, the balls. So we have a really wide array of classes for whole body wellness to kind of round off the whole body wellness in the healing house. So
It's a beautiful space.
thank you. Thank you. We worked really hard to make it very warm and welcoming for our students. So
I love your tree of life.
thank you. That is 108 tiles, which is significant in yoga, and each tile represents a different interpretation of the tree of life, whether it's embroidery or tattoos or paintings. There's even a balloon tree up there. So everybody has their favorite tile, and it's good to have something to admire while they're in here and trying to find their focus.
So if somebody wants to take a class from you, do they go to the Island Healing Chiropractic website?
They can go to that. They can also go to Tree of Life Yoga. The website is tolyoga.com. And I have actually a tab there that has a lot of information about the private classes if they wanted to read a little bit about it first. We also have our forms on there. There's a consult form, so if they would print that up and either drop it by the Island Healing or give me a call, I'd like to do a consult with them before we start so we can actually see exactly what they need and how we can plan their session. But yes, either way, they can call Island Healing, me. There's lots of ways to access us.
Yeah, I love to send a lot of my patients up here to do yoga and to learn things from Mickey too, for not only rehab purposes, but for, you know, strengthening your core and all of the great benefits that yoga, and I'm thinking specifically of one patient that was very, very stressed out in his job, and we sent him to Mickey. He now knows breathing techniques and how to get his blood pressure down naturally. So it's amazing what yoga can do for you.
Yoga is a very healing
It absolutely is.
practice.
The mind and the body. The mind and the body. So we do various techniques. We can, like you see today, we're going to do a restorative session. So my student will just rest here comfortably, everything completely supported, and I'll take him through guided visualizations. We use lavender and chamomile warm eye pillows, all the different props to make sure everybody feels really good. So
I've always said the Savasana is always my favorite because I get to take a nap.
it is very deep relaxation.
Yeah.
So sometimes you just need to take an hour out to take care of your body. So
That's true.
we like to help with that.
Breathe, right? Just breathe.
Just breathe.
All right. Well,
Good.
Karen, thank
Well,
you.
I guess that's about everything.
Well, we appreciate you allowing us to come into your practice today and seeing everything that you have here to offer at Island Healing and Chiropractic, located at
8809 East Oak Island Drive, right near the old bridge that will be open really soon. Thank you.
It will. And they are definitely worth the drive. So come out and see them. Check out their website, which is
islandhealingchiropractic.com.
and then take a class, do a private lesson, do some dog chiropractic, some people chiropractic, adjustments,
therapy.
massage therapy, you name it, supplements, detox. They have something for you to make you feel your best. So thank you very much, Karen, for allowing us to come in today.
Thank you very much.